Hey, this is Brett Merritt here with another great pre-owned vehicle. It's a 2015 ILX. It's got right under 50,000 miles on it. Extremely nice car, very well equipped. This is kind of like the luxury version of a Civic made by our parent company, Acura. Very, very nice car. Of course, alloy wheels, leather sunroof, huge backup camera, and just overall extremely nice. It does have a 4-cylinder, so it does have the timing chain. This is actually more comparable to kind of an Accord, not the Civic. Very nice wheel and tire package. Interior is in great shape. Overall, just a very, very nice vehicle. If you want a little bit more luxury than like an Accord or a Civic, this would be a great route to go. Very nice miles. Paint's in great shape. Tires are in great shape. Checked out. Great in our service department. Has nice LED headlights as well. Which wasn't available in the Accord and a base trim until 2018. If you have any questions or like to come out and take a look at it, just give me a call, 865-951-8938. Thanks.